we got this RAM fuse box here, and come in. I think they said the trailer lights not working, or just one of the sides of the trailer lights not working, which is pretty typical of these boxes. So, first thing I want to do is I just want to give it a quick test, just to see if there's a problem. So, just gonna hook up some power here. Okay, that should be everything. Yeah, also I want to hook up the data line. I'm going to connect the off out. Get the test light set up here. So the output for the left and right blinker is a battery supply, battery voltage supply. So we're going to connect our test light to ground. And the output pins for the trailer blinkers are to be 5 and 7 on connector 1 here. So I'm going to try the, keep it 5 is the right blinker. So I heard it click, but I don't see a light. So maybe this one is the right side. No. So definitely the right side blinker is not working. I can hear the relay clicking, but there's no power coming from it. Okay, so I'm gonna try the left side. So the left side does work. One more time. Yeah. So there's no right side blinker for the trailer. Also go ahead and check the horn while I'm here, which is which is pin 14 right here on the same connector. The reason I want to check the horn is because the horn is the same group of those internal relays. Can't say I've ever seen it go bad, but just in case. Alright, so now I know that this is actually bad. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, so I got it open here, and the board itself is in pretty good shape. A little dusty. A bit of damage to the solder mask there, but this one's actually in very good shape for what they usually come in like. So I'm pretty sure the only problem we're going to have with this is going to be the trailer lights, which are these relays here. And this one is for the horn, and these are for the trailer left and right. Sometimes you can shake it and hear it, but so this one is not broken. The arm's not broken off of it. It's just not transferring the power from the contacts. So we're gonna go ahead and replace both of these. And unfortunately, this relay is obsolete. You can't get it anymore. And there was a compatible replacement that you could get, but now that one is kind of hard to come by too. The replacement was called a Zettler. Hold on. Same footprint with the 30 amp. I think these are 20 amp. Yeah, 20 amp. So the Zettler was a little bit of an upgrade, but I recently run out of my order of those. I had ordered like 500 of them, and I've burned through them all. And now that seems like they're pretty much obsolete now too. So what I had to do was I had to make my own little solid state relay. So I had some PCBs made up where I could use the same footprint. So my little board here is pretty simple. It's got pins for the footprint of the relay so I can stick it in. It's got a spot for the resistor here, and I have it where you could do through hole or SMD. And then just here for the MOSFET to, pretend to be a relay. And I've been using these for a while. They seem to work. So I'm just preheating the area here. I've got the conformal coating scratched away, and I'm going to be using a soldering gun here to try to get these relays removed. They take quite a bit of heat. So if you don't have good tools, you're probably going to struggle with the part. Alright, so I've got my custom solid state relays installed. Just want to clean them a little bit. They're pretty fluffy. Alright. And also I want to clean this side of the board. So I'm going to put it back together. And nothing else that needs to be done on this side. So once I put it back in the plate, I can actually just leave it there. Make sure everything's soldered good. Let me do a little touch up here. They all look pretty good. This one don't. No. And I do want to put a little conformal coating on here to cover this stuff back up. Takes a little time to dry, but I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna continue. I'll go ahead and let that dry, clean this up, and then I'll pick back up. Alright, so my conformal coating is set up here, and I'm just going to get this guy back together enough to where I can test it. Might help if I like that. Yeah. So there goes the horn, which we know should be okay. I'm not going to try let's just try left trailer first. And there we go. And we're going to try the right, which is the one that did not work before. And there we go, we see it's work. So both are currently working. Okay, so I don't see any issues there. You can use a meter and check the individual traces if you want it, but that's enough to do it like that. So trailer lights are fixed on it. I have a lot of other stuff that I'm going to do to this box that I do for all of them that come in. Not part of this video though, so I am going to leave you with